My name is David Andrew Ramirez III. I'm 19 years old and I'm a graduate from the Excel Center. I kind of wandered off with just joining the wrong crowd, making some of the wrong decisions. When I was arrested, I went through all the process of going to courts and probationary. But once I finished, I couldn't really find any schools that would accept me at the time because I was 18. So I enrolled myself into the Excel Center. Well, honestly, before coming to the Excel Center, if I would have graduated from my previous high school, I did not know what I wanted to do after. Some of my friends and family didn't think that I would actually go as far as I would. I'm proud of myself that I did, and you can become whatever it is you want to be here at the Excel Center as long as you show up on time and put in as much effort as you can. The Excel Center is more of a hands-on one-on-one. If you need help personally, you can go and speak with someone, you're a counselor or a teacher, and they will help you. Transportation was a barrier because I did not have a vehicle at the time. Mrs. Deanne Day, which was my senior seminar coach, noticed that I would put in effort in class. I actually wanted to do my work, I wanted to graduate, and I wanted to pursue a career after graduation. So she stepped in and played her part, helped me multiple times get to school as well. I feel like the Excel Center helped my mind mature a lot. I noticed that there's a lot more to life than just outside of these walls or inside of these walls. The certification I got was a craftsmanship certification. So I'm currently in an apprenticeship. So in 4 years, I'll be finished with my apprenticeship and I will have my journeyman's license. Right now, I am currently working for Ramirez Mechanical Services. Over the summer, I will be enrolled in summer classes through Vincennes University, which I receive a bachelor's degree. Yeah, and on graduation day, I proved a lot of people wrong and made a lot of people in my family very proud of me.